best meet and greet ever.
Coffee martia.
There's something about Bangalore, you guys. I'm falling for it.
No city could ever do what Bombay has done, period.
Guys, Bangalore is crying कि मैं निकल के जा रही हूँ. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Travel with Sar, where you and I, we travel together. I am going to Bangalore after so long. Not been to Bangalore since I was a little kid. I think I passed out of 10th standard and our family trip, जो हम हर साल एक सरोज family trip लेते थे, that was to Bangalore, Ooty and Mysore. And one of my favorite places out of those three was Bangalore because it's very Mumbai-like. And whenever I used to go on holidays, I used to try to find places which are as similar to Bombay. I've heard so much about Bangalore that it's changed over the years. It's become so much better. It's now like the tech capital of India, and so many people, so many cafes, like really cool cafe culture. So there's so much to do in Bangalore. I'm very excited. So today I'm hosting a meet and greet. I'm actually going for a TEDx talk to CAIAS University. That's the Christ Academy Institute of Advanced Studies. Yeah, that's the institute I am going to for a TEDx talk. This is my first TEDx talk ever. I am very nervous. I have prepared, but not quite well, I would say. So on my flight is when I'm going to do the prep, and I'm so excited for this trip. I've also gotten a new vlogging camera, so I'm very excited. Now the vlogging camera I use, I like the quality, but one of the biggest thing is that जब मैं इसके साथ travel करती हूँ, it's such a sensitive camera. It's so small and it's resting on a very like small sensitive gimbal that 3 times it has gotten spoiled before. 2 times I've had to repair it in warranty, and 1 time I've had to buy a new one. So this is literally my second piece of the same camera, and ever since I got the second time the same camera, I was looking for a good vlogging camera which can sustain me in my rough and tough travels. You know, when I travel, I'm doing a lot at the same time. Like today I'm hosting a meet and greet in Bangalore, tomorrow I have the TED talk, and then tomorrow I'm coming back to Bombay. There's so much to do, and you know, with my fast-paced life, my hustle life, which happens even on travel, I need my camera to keep up. So I saw this camera in a Korean YouTuber's vlog and I had to get it the minute it came to India. This is the Instax 360 X4 Air camera. It's a massive box for a very small and portable camera. I'm super excited for this. I've been waiting to unbox it with y'all. 4-5 दिन हो गए इसको आके, and I've been waiting to use it. It has really good reviews. This camera is called X4 Air, and that's because it's literally as light as air. इधर सारे features mentioned. One of the reasons I got it is because of the 8K 360 filming. It basically captures like a 360-degree point of view, and it's supposed to be really light. Oh my god, that is stunning, guys. Can you believe the camera is just this small? I'm amazed by technology and how tiny. Oh, this is heavy though. It's got good amount of weight to it. That's really cool. This is what the camera looks like. Let's remove the lens cover. That's a beautiful camera. It's got lenses on both the side. That's how I think it's very compact. Okay, because the camera is so fragile, I've also gotten a utility frame for it just to protect it on my travels. This is what it looks like. It's just like a case for the camera. I've gotten a lot of accessories with this, so I really like that because it's a small camera. I don't want to ruin it. This is what it looks like, the utility frame, just to keep it protected. This is the utility frame to keep the camera protected. This is how it opens, and this fits perfectly. Screw it on the other side. ये silicone mold जब use नहीं कर रहे तब लगाना है. इसके अंदर और क्या था? Oh yeah, the invisible selfie stick is what I've gotten inside this, and another extra battery pack. ये main डब्बे में ही मिलता है extra spare battery pack, and you get another like this protector thing. So if you don't want to use the disc, if you don't want to buy this separately, the utility frame, you can just protect your lens with this. It comes in the main camera box also, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. This is the invisible selfie stick. It's honestly perfect for solo travelers. I am excited to take my solo travel of 2026. I am really reaching my burnout and I want to go somewhere, so this is going to be so useful for that. So this is basically going to be the vlogging setup. Let's remove the silicone case. I've also got the mic windshield for this camera. Told you I got a lot of accessories. The mic is supposed to have really good noise cancellation, especially because Mumbai की traffic में तो इतना ज़्यादा honking होता है. I've heard Bangalore traffic is also really bad. This camera is especially very good if you are a travel vlogger, because I think it gives you really great point of views, because it will give you like the 360 thing. So this is the sponges that have come over here for the windshield. I've gotten 2 of these. I've gotten this with the camera as well. Phone is getting connected to the camera right now. Okay, new firmware found. So they're downloading the firmware. Okay, updating the camera. I'm gonna choose to use the mic windshield and remove the utility frame for now. The invisible stick, by the way, confirm connection on device. Got it. This is pretty extendable, huh, guys? Wow. This is gonna be so cool to vlog with. This is my paradise. For a dynamic lifestyle travel vlogger like me, this is Jannat. Finally a sturdy camera. While the firmware is updating, I'll just show you that I've also got the replacement lens kit. So since it has 2 lenses and it can be just safety side if I need like a replacement lens, I've got this also. Okay, so I can select what all sports I do, like hiking, running, and I don't do bicycling. Motorcycling also I don't do, and I've chosen skiing. It's time to put my SD card from this camera to this and vlog from the Instax 360 X4R.
A few moments later.
Do you have a Mangalore ghee roast egg puff?
Yes, ma'am, we do have.
Okay, I'll take that and I'll take a plain croissant. The desserts in this cafe at the airport look so good. I'm off sugar, but these look delicious. We are in Bangalore. I'm so excited to be here. The airport is so pretty. Oh my god. It's also very far from the hotel and everything in Bangalore. The Bangalore airport is outside of Bangalore, but that's okay. We are used to Bombay traffic. How bad is this gonna be? I know it's gonna be worse, but it's okay. The weather is not that bad. People scared me कि बहुत गर्म है, but Mumbai is a bhatti right now, so this is a lot better actually. Yeah, the air over here is cleaner. Oh my god.
She never believed me when I told her.
Reeth has lived 3 years in Bangalore.
Is it?
Yeah.
Which place though? HSR. Okay.
Reeth has lived everywhere only. He's a Banjara.
Yeah, right.
It's true. At such a young age, you know how many cities you've moved?
Yeah, I have moved. Punjab, Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai,
And originally from
Guwahati.
Assam.
Yes.
And all my life, I have only been in Bombay. Look at us. Evidently so. Poles apart. Look at this thing. I hate when you wear sunglasses and then this happens. What is this?
1 hour later.
Guys, we are staying at Banerghatta Road and this is the hotel. It's called Green Park and it's very nice, very like eco-friendly vibes from your lovely interiors. Waha lift hai, going there towards the hotel room and then towards the meet and greet. There was no traffic actually, but we just took very long to get from the airport to the hotel because of course everything's far in Bangalore. This is 2:30. So what time I have to leave?
You get ready.
3:30 I'll leave. This hotel is so nice. It's just 10,000 rupees for a night and such a good hotel. Randomly found it on booking.com. Amazing. Not bad at all. What a cute room. Put chabi. Very studio apartment vibes. We have a metro view over here. It's studio apartment, like very like without the kitchen, of course. Really like the aesthetic. Yeah, modern aesthetic. And I mean, you guys, it's so inexpensive. In my language, it is inexpensive. It's only 10,000 for a night with breakfast for 2 adults. That's so cheap. It's not cheap, but it's a good value. I'm so tired and sleep deprived. Woo, really sleep deprived, you guys. I want to sleep, but no. I have a meet and greet. I have to go to meet and greet my Bangalore Sarah squad.
2 hours later.
Our Uber is here to take us to the meet and greet. There are the hamper items and everything that I'll need to make people try iced tea. Guys, the meet and greet is at 5 o'clock. It's very cut to cut, so I'm quickly doing my makeup in the cab. Don't want to be super late also because Bangalore traffic is bad. I'm sure everyone is coming from somewhere far only to meet me. We have only taken a cab of 20 to 25 people. I think my team has selected because I wouldn't be able to manage everyone alone. Reeth has of course never done an event with me. It has been mad, really mad. Very busy because we're getting everything done in short span. Of course, going from the airport only was so much of a thrust to reach this hotel. Took woke up half the time. I quickly had a bath and changed into my beautiful outfit that I will show you once I reach there. Alright, I have managed to do this beautiful glam in the car. I should get some award for this, but I'm not getting any. We have reached Indira Nagar. This is where we are having our meet and greet at Bean Lore Cafe. It's a really good cafe. I have a Sara squad here called Priyanka. I have a lot of Sara squad here clearly. That is what I came to know when I said I'm coming to Bangalore. But Priyanka Gowda, her name is, and she's also a creator and we work with her at Impulse Coffee. So I've spoken to her one-on-one many times. So she's actually helping me a lot to curate this event, everything. Because she's here, I'm confident in executing this without my team because she's already at the venue. She's helping out. She speaks the local language, so she's like set everything up at the venue. I'm of course bringing the hampers with me, and she recommended this cafe because she's a local. She said the cafe food and the beverages over here are very good. We will be serving Impulse iced tea to our subscribers who are coming to this meet and greet, but of course they can order whatever food they want, whatever drinks they want from here. This cafe actually has 3 branches in Bangalore already. Bean Lore Cafe has one in Indira Nagar, which we are going, one in Jayanagar, and one more place where they already have a cafe. Very good food, and they are also opening one more cafe in Bangalore very soon. So if you're from Bangalore, you should check out the Bean Lore Cafe. I'm very excited now as we are inching closer. I'm ready, so I'm excited. My hair is not looking the best, but that's okay. It's gonna dry up and then it's gonna look beautiful. I'm doing an all-up test. Hi to my vlog.
Hi vlog. Welcome to Nama Bengaluru.
Yay! Let's go. Thank you so much.
I'm meeting you.
And the thank you for getting this done. Reet is like, मेरे को bags के साथ छोड़ दिया. Okay, guys, this is the beautiful coffee roaster cafe that we are. Oh, look at that. Hey. Oh, hi. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm good. Oh, hello. So nice to meet you. Hi. So nice to meet you.
Pineapple paste.
Pudina.
No pudina. But it's pineapple, I can feel it.
Is it feeling good?
Yes, of course. This is the second time I'm meeting you. Of course, it is really.
This
I
is the
love
sugar-free
that.
one.
Yeah, I know. I hardly make any difference. I can't.
Okay.
So even though that sugar, with sugar and without sugar also, it is not making much difference. मैं पूरे कार्स अपने बैग में पैक करके सारा दीदी के लिए लेके जा रहा हूँ, सारा दीदी के लिए कार लेकर जा रहा
Guys, we are having an iced tea kitty party here. Like everyone's iced tea sipping and
प्लीज ट्राई बहुत अच्छा है.
guys, the meet and greet is successfully over. All thanks to Miss Priyanka who has done a fab event planner ban ja tu abhi. I'm so glad. Yes. Like look at that. Subha Bonaita ne मैंने Bonaita को बोला I think we should have a board at the meet and greet. Yeah, and she just executed it. Bonaita designed, sent it to her, done. It's over. And we are not having Impulse coffee now because we've had a lot of Impulse iced tea. All the packs I got are over. Few of the packs, some people even took and went who were extras were there. And I'm going to try their espresso tonic over here at Bean Lore Coffee Roasters because Priyanka loves this place, so I had to try. I ate the avocado toast. It was very good.
ये लो हाँ दीदी के साथ अम्ब्रेला में चले जाओ. हाँ दीदी से अम्ब्रेला में चले जाओ। हाँ बोलो दीदी का।
हाँ मैं कैसे फिट होंगी इसमें? ओह गॉड, अम्ब्रेला देखो क्या हाइट पे पकड़ा है इसने मेरे लिए।
जाओ जाओ
दीदी से अम्ब्रेला में
जाओ,
चले
जाओ,
चलो,
जाओ।
चलो। See, let's go home. Bye, Shil. You take Sara didi home?
Yeah.
You make didi chicken biryani. हाँ, सारा दीदी को कार लेके दे जाओ।
चलो गाइस, एस्प्रेसो टॉनिक इज टॉनिकिंग। कब से रेस्टिंग स्टेज में था ना, इसलिए ऐसा हो गया। वेरी गुड कॉफी मैन, very good coffee, dude. You'll have to try this if you're in Bangalore. Wow, the coffee is dark roast and rich, and the tonic water is tonic water. Guys, best meet and greet ever. And I'm saying this, I've had a lot. Okay, I don't know why I didn't do this before. I don't know what it is. The weather is so good. The vibes in Bangalore are so positive. The people were beautiful. So good. Like,
so much about Bangalore.
Jakharia is like, so we'll move to Bangalore then? Not Assam, not Bombay. We'll try a new city. What did you order?
This is salted pistachio frappe.
And what do you think about it?
It's very good.
Good recommendation, Priyanka. You're winning, huh?
My
Now?
coffee recommendations, 90% they don't go wrong. That's why I have like recommended impulse to all my guy friends. Like, can you imagine? Whenever they come home, I make them my iced coffee. They like the way I make it. Everybody who has tried it, they have loved it. Next time they come back home, even the chai person is like, you know, in Kannada, it's like, coffee martiya.
Guys, this is the inside of this cafe and I am so impressed. I had no idea that this is a thing. Okay, firstly, stand by this. Liquid that smells like fleshy ground heaven. Coffee is. Look at this. I had no idea that there are meeting rooms inside a cafe which you can book in advance. There's a pod. A proper pod. Pod 1, pod 2 and somebody's in pod 3. There was somebody. You have meeting rooms inside a freaking cafe. How cool is that? Like, you can conduct a meeting inside a cafe and this is apparently normal cafe behavior in Bangalore. I had no idea. Wow. I'm so impressed. There's something about Bangalore, you guys. I'm falling for it. Like, Reeta and I literally were discussing moving here. Not even funny how much the city is influencing so quickly. Also the weather, dude. You can't. The weather is genuinely very good here.
A few moments later.
I'm exhausted, but of course I had to come to Rameshwaram Cafe. It is so hyped. It is so hyped. Apparently the best South Indian you can get, and it's very famous in Bangalore. You can see 10 baj rahe raat ke, and so many people are here having idli dosa. Idli dosa. Kya lu? What is famous? This is Shashwat, by the way. He's Reet's best friend in Bangalore. Podi masala dosa. मेरे से पूरा तो नहीं खाया जाएगा bro. तू खा लेगा जो भी बचेगा. गुड. ही सिंगल बाय द वे गाइस. कौन किसको चाहिए? मुंडा बड़ा अच्छा जेपी मॉर्गन में काम करता है, देख लो. Guys, the dosa is here. This is ghee podi and that is benne butter and mosambi juice, watermelon juice, and what is this? This is lime soda. Lime juice ऐसा दिख रहा है सफेद. क्यों?
ऑर्गेनिक है ना यहाँ पे. The only good thing about रामेश्वरम कि सब कुछ साफ सुथरा मिलता है.
Lime juice is supposed to be सफेद. I have to try this. Dude, this is so good. मेरे को ये चाहिए.
हाँ आप बोले लो.
नहीं तो पी, फिर मैं एक और मंगाऊंगी.
एक और ले लेंगे.
यही होता है.
मौसम्बी भी बहुत अच्छा
This is
है.
also very good.
I want yellow aloo masala. This is some other aloo masala. This is that white. This is
Plain.
no, this is masala. This is ghee podi masala. This is what? Butter masala. हाँ, but benne is nice. Benne is very tasty. Not as good as the Bombay benne, but very nice. And of course cheaper. ये बॉम्बे का बेन्ने बहुत अच्छा है. रीत को भी पसंद है.
तू आएगा तो तेरे को खिलाऊंगा.
Guys, I have eaten at Rameshwaram Cafe and my honest rating is a 7 on 10, not a 10 on 10. I feel like there can be better dosa in Bangalore also, I'm sure. Let me know in the comments if you're from Bangalore, what do you think is the best dosa? Is it Rameshwaram? Is it something else? But I definitely have a food baby after eating over here. I have eaten a lot of carbs for tonight. Need to go to the room because I need to sleep. I'm so tired. And tomorrow is my TED Talk, guys. I have to prepare also. I have prepared. It's my journey, so I'm confident talking about it. But I am tired. I want to rest from waking up at 7 tomorrow morning. Guys, this is our hotel. Highly recommend. ये जो हरी बिल्डिंग दिख रही है ग्रीनरी के साथ, बहुत अच्छी है. होटल अंदर से भी और बाहर से भी.
Later that same evening.
रीत ने गोवा चिली आइस टी बनाया. Cheers. Honest reaction दे.
शुगर बिल्कुल नहीं है, बड़ा ही रिफ्रेशिंग सा टेस्ट आ रहा है. मतलब जो शुगर फ्री जूस होता है ना, मतलब जैसे जो जूस एक्चुअल पीते हैं और फिर उसमें शुगर नहीं होता, तो ऐसा नेचुरल सा टेस्ट आ रहा है. मतलब जो ट्राई
फ्रेश जूस.
हाँ, जो ट्राई करते हैं ना नॉर्मल वाला गुआवा ड्रिंक, उसमें एक अजीब सी आर्टिफिशियल एसेंस आती है. इसमें वैसा कुछ नहीं लग रहा. इट्स लुक लाइक कि सुराही के पानी घड़े के पानी में बना के दिया.
अरे 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 लखनऊ का बंदा बोला.
मैं चाह रहा था कि मैगी खुद में पी जाऊं, फिर मुझे लगा कि वो
नहीं
कुछ अच्छा बोलूं. मैंने अच्छा बोलूं, नहीं तो यार कॉफी पी ली, अच्छा भी नहीं बोला.
आइस टी कॉफी दे.
लेमन भी अच्छा है.
मेरा फेवरेट लेमन और स्ट्रॉबेरी है. मैं देखो फुल पैक भिजवाती हूँ. वी आर ओनली लेफ्ट विद दिस फ्रॉम टुडेज. शो दिस पैकेज. द न्यू पैकेजिंग आई हैवंट इवन शोन. ये न्यू डिजाइन है, अब भी आई है. तो दिस इज व्हाट द न्यू सैशेज आर लुकिंग लाइक. गाइस पुराने आपने अभी तक व्लॉग्स में देखे थे. आज पूरा माल जितना मैं लेके आई 5 से 6 पैकेट सब खत्म हो गया मीट एंड ग्रीट में. लॉट ऑफ पीपल ट्राइड, लॉट ऑफ पीपल टुक इट होम एज वेल. तो हमारी इन्फ्लुएंसर वाली जिंदगी जिए नहीं हो ना बेटा.
नहीं, पहले मुझे इजी लग रही थी, आज इतने नहीं समझ में.
आज 10 मिनट में मिलके शाश्वत बोलते हैं बहुत हार्ड है भाई, इन्फ्लुएंसर बनना इजी नहीं है.
मतलब मुझे बहुत कुछ उसके बियॉन्ड भी.
ऑफ कोर्स
ये मुझे अब पता चला.
उसको तुम्हारा काम देख के इजी लग रहा था.
बिकॉज़ मेरा तो इंस्टेंट
यार इनका मतलब नहीं लगता उतना टफ.
उसका भी है. तू वो नहीं देखता पागलपन जो वो करता है, तू उसको सिर्फ उतना देखता है. हाँ, कैसे
मुझे मजा आती है इसलिए मुझे पता नहीं चलता.
नेचर में वीडियो लेते हुए देखता है. उसके पीछे का पागलपन मैं झेलती हूँ ना, तो आई नो.
उसके बाद जो तो बैक एंड पे जो तेरा वो दिमाग जो खराब कर एक एक वीडियो के पीछे
एडिट, स्ट्रैटेजाइज, क्या डालना है, डाला तो अनफॉलो जाएंगे कि फॉलो जाएंगे, कमेंट्स पे क्या बोल रहे लोग, नेचर कैसा है, नेक्स्ट में कहाँ जाऊँ, फिर कौन से ब्रांड्स आ रहे, ब्रांड्स को इंटीग्रेट कैसे करूँ, ब्रांड्स पे व्यूज आएंगे कि नहीं, कौन से ब्रांड्स को पिच करूँ एक्सेट्रा, पेमेंट नहीं आई, पेमेंट टर्म्स क्या है, ये सब.
और हेट से कितना फर्क पड़ता है आप लोगों को इन जनरल.
मुझे तो नहीं फर्क पड़ता. रीत को पहले पड़ता था. अभी
मेरा फेवरेट अभी तक तो गुआवा है.
गुआवा चिली
अनएक्सपेक्टेडली बहुत अच्छा था.
गुआवा चिली बहुत फ्रेश है.
बहुतों को पसंद है गुआवा चिली.
Lemon is a very simple flavor but made better with the vitamin, and also vitamin C will be highest in our lemon flavor. So you feel really good after having it.
Still buy guava.
Yeah, guava is very good. उसका individual pack भी मिलता है.
In fact वो उसका फ्लेवरिंग और जो टेक्सचर वो कैसे, हाउ डू एक्सप्लेन, उसका जो पूरा इन टुगेदर प्रोडक्ट आ रहा है ना, बड़ा नेचुरल और एकदम जैसे एक्स्ट्रा कुछ. जैसे मोहितो पियो तो अजीब सा लगता है, वहीं पे नींबू पानी पियो तो इट्स नॉर्मल. तो गुआवा इज लाइक ऐसा लग रहा है कि नॉर्मल ड्रिंक कर रहे हैं, कुछ पानी वानी, एंड इट्स वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग.
नाइस, गुड टू नो. स्टार्टिंग में नहीं लाने वाले थे ये सब फ्लेवर, गुआवा और स्ट्रॉबेरी. लोगों को सबसे ज्यादा लास्ट ईयर भी वही अच्छा लगा था, वही मैं लाने वाली थी. स्ट्रॉबेरी भी बहुत अच्छा है.
मार्केट रिसर्च कैसे करते हो, जैसे ये अच्छा लगेगा ये नहीं है.
कमेंट्स, हम कंज्यूमर्स कॉल करते हैं. मैं कंज्यूमर मीटअप की आज कितना डेटा मिला, सबको पिलाया, फीडबैक लिया, अगले क्या प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च करने वो डिस्कस किया उनके साथ. तो मीटअप्स फॉर मी इज आल्सो कंज्यूमर रिसर्च.
The next morning.
Good morning guys, we are ready for the TED Talk. I have just done my base makeup. My lip is left. I want to do a red lip. I've put my red lip in the bag because I'm going down for breakfast now. और जो front curls है उसको गीले करके मैंने कर्ल किया. वैसे मेरे कर्ल्स बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं और बहुत अच्छे से सेट हो गए थे कल, क्योंकि मैंने गीले लेके गई थी उसको इवेंट पे. यहाँ पे ह्यूमिडिटी नहीं है तो it's not frizzing up, so my curls have stayed really nicely. I'm wearing this beautiful quad set. This blazer is from Myclo. It came with a pant but my thick thighs didn't fit in that pant, so these are my black pull and bear pants which I wear every day, and I'm doing these black heels that I got from Charles and Keith in Singapore, and अंदर मैंने ये white Uniqlo का top पहना है. So this is the look. I might unbutton the blazer because that look is also looking nice, but पहले चलो नीचे चलते हैं, नाश्ता करते हैं, and I'll prepare for my talk also simultaneously. Let's go. We are all packed by the way because it was only 48 hours in Bangalore, so Reet is going to take all of this down. He's ready with the luggage. You need to do your hair, Jakhavya. Hair is messy. I'm going to take this bag and go down for breakfast. This is what I have taken for breakfast chicken sausage, just one chicken nugget, one fried potato, anda burji, medu vada of course because I'm in Bangalore, otherwise not a South Indian breakfast girl. I like dosa, but I don't like vada in the morning. I would have it in the evening, but I'll have it now because honestly the spread over here is so good. It all looks so fresh, not basi at all. This hotel is definitely extremely nice. Even for Bangalore standards, I think it's very good. And this is Bircher muesli. And I've got Pal Pal pineapple with me from Mumbai. So you also get this on Blinkit in Bangalore, by the way. No, I don't think you get this flavor, but you do get Impulse coffees on Blinkit in Bangalore. I've asked for hot water, so I'll make my coffee and sausages. So I told you, Reet is going to come backpack करके check out करके सब कुछ. और मैं अपना talk iPad में लेके घूम रही हूँ. So time to open it and not get distracted by anything else. Less phone, more life, better sleep. None of that is happening.
CBSE and
This is crazy.
This is how schools are supposed to play playgrounds and open area for everyone to run. This is how my school also was. Out of 10, only 2.
I will take you.
Out.
You
out
go
of 10.
send your children not to those two schools.
No, so,
Gosh, this Jakaria.
no. So I'm telling you that ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं है, but
Yeah.
the concept of schools in Mumbai is effed up.
This Mumbai hater, I swear. You're not allowed in the house anymore. Please.
Okay.
You stay in your Assam only.
Okay. I used to love that.
Please, you stayed there for 4 years and saying I love that city is not enough
Yeah,
love.
for the first
You
3
could
years.
never.
what-
No city could ever do what Bombay has done, period. In India, period. Okay, y'all can all try, but
Bombay
nobody
because,
can do
yeah,
what Bombay has done.
Yeah, nobody can screw up like Mumbai.
No.
Yeah, true.
Please, all of you people
No one
at
can-
once in your life have come to Bombay to seek opportunities. So please.
No one can.
I can fight over this one. Hi. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Nice to see you. Likewise.
Well, I love you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. The university campus is so beautiful. Reet is convinced. We are moving to Bangalore now. Yes. Reet is fully convinced.
One eternity later.
Guys, Bangalore is crying कि मैं निकल के जा रही हूँ. देखो कितनी बारिश हो रही है बैंगलोर में. बैंगलोर भी रो रहा है. I hope मेरी फ्लाइट नहीं डिले हो जाए इस किस्से में कि इतनी ज्यादा बारिश हो रही है अभी. तो एक काम कर, चला के बॉम्बे ही ले ले, तेरा रोड ट्रिप भी हो जाएगा.
चलेगा ये जैसा है. टमाटर है, सारा और मैं दोनों चलाते हैं बस.
चलो चलो, पहुंच ही नहीं रहे एयरपोर्ट. 20 मिनट अभी भी है एंड इट इज 8 o'clock फ्लाइट. वी शुड बी देयर राइट नाउ. वी शुड बी एट द एयरपोर्ट बट वी आर स्टिल इन द कार. भागने तो वाली हूँ मैं क्योंकि एक फ्लाइट 2026 की छूट गई है मेरी. दूसरी नहीं छुड़वाऊंगी. कोलकाता की अब भी छोड़ के आई मैं, वो भी गेट पे बैठे बैठे छोड़ के आई. देखो क्या मालूम.